Hey everybody, Subtag here. Just a little update. I have not put up a video this weekend because I've been busy, and this is one of the reasons why. Bloody Mary got a new, well, actually used bumper, but I bought this bumper. It's a highlifter bumper. Parts of it were missing when I bought it. This plate down here and this piece right here. So I had my friend Drew Collins. He got the parts and welded it up for me. Then I spent a lot of time sanding it down and repainting it. And it looks good. The purpose for that was to buy a new Badlands 5,000 pound winch to put out in front. So I've been busy doing that, putting all that together. What else? I put a, I've got all the wiring for rock lights. It's all powered and everything. I just got to put the lights in and hook them on. And I've also, I found this little booger right here. It's actually a voltage meter for the battery. I found it in some stuff that I had that I bought a while back. So I figured I'd put that in as well. And then I also put in a new carrier bearing, SuperATV. New U-joints. This is not a new U-joint, but the one up front is, and the one in the rear is. Put those in. What else? Whole bunch of stuff. If you haven't noticed, as I'm doing the upgrades, things are going black. So the front bumper's black. I'm gonna go, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this bumper or take it off and paint it. If I keep it, I gotta get some caps welded on it over there. It looks silly. One's got a plastic cap on one end, empty hole on the other. But we'll see how that turns out. These protective plates on the rear and the front, they're gonna get changed to black. And I don't know if I'm gonna keep those tree kickers or get some different ones. Either way, they're gonna go black. Cage is gonna go black. It's gonna get a new style roof on it. I guess that these, panels look cool, but they're crap for as far as like keeping the rain out, because they just leak all over the place. I put silicone all that up there, but when it rains, the water just pools over and comes right down on your knees. That's no fun. Anyway, that's why I have not put out some videos, and I did not do a regular video for the weekend. So I guess this will be my regular video for the weekend. What else? I guess that's about it. So I'll start working on the videos again. I got some more stuff to clean up. This wiring, I mean, it was tight. And the solenoid and stuff in the back there, figuring out where to mount it, and then being able to hook all the wires to it, it was pretty tight. I tried to get as best cable management as I could, and I mean, it was fun, but whew, a lot of work. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you out on the trails, and I do appreciate it. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
George.
Doesn't sound familiar.